Hello, I'm in lockdown. I just returned from the United States and I had the hiccups. And my other video told you how to cure the hiccups with two people. One person pushing on your ears and the other person who has the hiccups like me drink water. I've heard in a couple of responses that you can do this with a straw. Well, in lockdown, there is no straw in this facility, and there is nobody to push on my ear. So I'm going to take this plastic piece of information packet they give me in lockdown, and I'm going to roll it up and see if I can make a straw out of this technique. See if I can cure the hiccups myself. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this, because this plastic paper is a little thick. I don't know if I can get it to the distance, diameter of a straw. Let's try some more. Let's not give up. Because the nice thing about this laminated paper is it won't leak. But it looks like it's more like maybe the size of a cigar than a straw. So let's try some more here. See what we can do. Okay, so I might be able to do it. Try to roll it up. It's not working too well. I'm going to keep on trying to roll it up. See if I can make a straw. Maybe if I pull it out more like this, I can make it like a straw. I don't think it's going to work. Let's see. Keep on trying. Maybe I need another piece of paper. Oh, let's try a piece of regular paper. See if this works. If it leaks a little bit, it won't be the end of the world. Okay. So here's a regular piece of paper that I rolled up to look like a straw. See if I can roll it up some more. It's hard to concentrate when you have the hiccups, as you know. But, you know, if you have hiccups and you need a resolution in lockdown, New Zealand's rate has gone up a lot for New Zealand, 63 cases in a day. But that's kind of stabilizing down, so. And I just happen to have some tape that I brought with on the trip. I thought I'd have to not have enough luggage, so I'm going to use a box. So we'll tape this up with my tape. So that's another thing you'll need on lockdown, is some tape. Okay. So I don't know if this is going to work as a straw. It's a pretty messy straw. And then I got 2 glasses of water. Usually I have 1 big glass of water. So now the trick is sucking through the water and squeezing my own ears. Okay, here we go. I don't have any confidence about this because there's a lot of air. It's a fat straw. But it seems as if it might have worked. Yeah, I think it's worked. Okay, well, this might be another YouTube video then for everybody. How to get rid of the hiccups when you're by yourself in lockdown. And if you don't have a straw, how to make a straw and use a glass of water. Still seems to work. And a big piece of plastic, laminated paper, can't get too thin. And a fat straw has a lot of air, but it still worked. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video in case you get stuck in a similar situation of lockdown.